Hi there, welcome back. So now we'll go to the next set of tools that are required for basic maintenance and running a website for your startup or your company. So that as a digital marketing guy you need to know. Maybe this is an optional thing that you might need to have knowledge about, but basically the IT guys will take care of this one in any company, in few companies mostly. Okay, but there's no harm in knowing the content, the way this works. Okay, it's good to have the knowledge of this one. Okay, so that's why if you want to learn you can learn, but this is a mandatory one going on in time. Maybe the digital marketing guys will take care of this one for me. I believe that it should have the all the rights with the digital marketing guy who needs to take care of the brand. Okay, should have to maintain all the things related to website, even if the technical stuff like this. Okay, even the information technology related stuff that is related to your website and brand. Okay, only we are going with this one. Okay, so and if you want to learn what all the things we are using here, this WordPress CMS. WordPress is a content management system for designing the user interface of your website, and that's how it's looking, and the content you wanted to add to the website, and the way the designs should be changing, whether it is color wise or structure wise, or the content you wanted to add it to your new blogs, posts, pages, images, videos. Okay, questionnaire, surveys, anything if you wanted to add. Even the WordPress is a easy and free tool for everyone. Okay, so this is the WordPress tool. This is how it looks. Okay, this is already installed one, and so when you have the dashboard like this needs a configuration, server configuration, installation of WordPress to your domain you have bought. Okay, so once it is done only you'll get all this, and once this is here you can build anything. You can show however your website wants to be looked. Okay, so this is how the website is now looking. Okay, so this is a very well designed and very well placed website. Okay, you can have anything, any number of menu items, or anything in the menu, and you can customize as you wanted. Okay, you can change the themes, how the design should look. Okay, anything can be changed. Okay, so this is how the WordPress will help you in designing and changing the website and its visibility. Okay, so you should have a basic understanding of which are the things that will help you in changing. What are the things if you change here will change the website look here. Okay, so that is all you need to be understanding, and you need to maintain. Not if you at least if not the whole website, you need to know how to add some of the blocks, how to add some of the pages, at least a landing page to run the campaign. Okay, so you need to be understanding all those things. Previously we had a bit of I thought of adding a set of tools for creating landing pages, but I thought if you know about a WordPress website, there is no need of learning any other landing page. If you have your website on WordPress, any page can be a landing page creation, and you can highlight that page as a landing page for your campaign. Apart from this, if you want to have learn any landing pages apart from your website, on you wanted it outside your website, you can go for Wix landing page creators. There are so many landing page creators apart from Wix also, like HubSpot and all. Okay, so these are the things WordPress is useful for, and this is free, and you should know how to take care of this one. Okay, basic thing like how to maintain the website. Okay, so anything, if you want to add any feature also, it's very well defined with the plugins. Okay, you can install any plugin for the feature you wanted to include. There are ample amount of plugins available that are for free if you are premium, so you can deal with all the free plugins itself to create any kind of design and pattern. Okay, so this is one of the very good content management system, plus the website builder for your brand. Okay, so this is one of the good tools for brand management. Okay, so then we'll come to the hosting side. If someone is looking at your website, if someone have seen this website, this is logged in. Okay, so if we go and check, or I'll just open a new incognito window. If someone is watching your website like this, okay, so this was placed, and if you want to add a new blog and all, how you were doing, and if you have updated there in the content management system here, how are people going to see here on the main website. So that there comes the hosting part. Okay, so hosting sites, there are different kinds of hosting sites. There is Linux hosting, there's Windows hosting. You don't need to go into the technical part of this one. Just remember that Linux hosting is more secure than Windows, and it's very fast for the website to load. Okay, so better go for Linux hosting, shared hosting, so that in the same hosting server you can share the space between so many domain, but you will have your definite space where no one can hack or no one can interfere in that space. Try to get little space for your website to maintain. Okay, so if you have your own space, that is very well and good for a brand. Okay, don't go the free hosting site. You have so many hosting sites that will provide for low cost. Okay, there are hosting sites like Hosting Raja. Okay, this will provide, this is one of the good hosting site. See, it starts with 45 rupees a month. That is almost three-fourth of a dollar. Okay, per month it is. Okay, this is very fast and secure. Okay, you can just go ahead and do this one. 40 GB web space, 2 FTP accounts, no free domain, premium unlimited plans for web hosting. My server is a unlimited plan that comes with all this. Okay, this is a premium corporate. I think mine is almost like this one now, I think. Anyways, hosting site is not this one. For me, the hosting site is uh, HostGator. Okay, hosting sites. There are so many hosting sites. If you want to see shared hosting providers, if you check one, HostGator is there. Cloud, Google is there, Green Geeks, Amazon, AWS. We have that one listed here in this one. Okay, so we'll just come to that, and GoDaddy also provides hosting packs. Okay, this is another one. Big Rock provides the hosting. CNET. Okay, all these are the hosting providers. Just compare all of them and get the lowest cost providers, and also which have the faster usage, and which have providing more number of features. Okay, so once you have the hosting servers, okay, servers to host your own domain website, you need to be also knowing how to use cPanel. Okay, so once you have this one, there's a cPanel that will look into how your data has been managed on CMS. Okay, so you can select so many CMS. Okay, after that one, we are going to select only WordPress, because right now WordPress is easy to learn, easy to use, free to teach anyone, your subordinates or someone. Okay, it's very handy, it comes with handy. Okay, so there is a cPanel that you need to also look into how this will be. Okay, so this is my cPanel account. I'll just log in and show it to you how this looks. Okay, so this is my cPanel account, and you can just see this one. There are so many features related to this one. Security related stuff, you need to keep coming and compressing the site, and scan for the viruses. Okay, and this is the WordPress installation we have done. These are the other apps. You can find any other apps also here for your CMS system. Okay, so there are so many things you'll get for free with the HostGator or any hosting provider. Okay, so once you log into cPanel, you'll see all the things that are provided for you. Okay, you need to understand the cPanel also, where and all you need to go. Okay, so once this is done with the hosting sites, what we have learned is you need to have a basic amount of site hosting space for your brand. Okay, whatever the smallest you wanted to buy, whether it is for one domain or if you wanted to become an agency, or you wanted to have multiple startups, you can have a unlimited sites or multiple domain hosting server space, so that you don't have to keep purchasing the new ones and new things and all. Okay, so this is what I'll talk about the hosting side. Then we'll come to the Amazon AWS, which is also one of the best ones now going on. Okay, for hosting services, where you'll get the light sell for $3, $3.5 a month, which is good. I have heard few things about this one from my partners, friends, and all. Okay, they are very happy with the AWS hosting. Okay, so if you want to go for the solutions, you can just go ahead and see where does it come. Container, Internet of Things, websites. Okay, why use AWS for web hosting? See, these are the stuff you need to look into, and you just need to try. If you want, you can try free for 1 month. Okay, there's a free tier also, and the cost is $3.5 a month. Okay, so this is really good. I think there are few free things also. Okay, if you want, and pricing comes with AWS free tier. You can just use this one. Okay, create free account, always free, 12 months free tiers. These free tier offers do not expire and are available to all AWS customers. Okay, so for that one, you don't know how to go ahead and be a sign up for AWS account, 10-minute tutorial, start building in the console. Okay, just look into this one. I just heard that this was doing really good, and if you are eligible for somehow with the terms and all, you can just go ahead and do it. The Amazon free tier applies to participating services across the global regions. Your free users and AWS free tier is calculated each month across the all regions and automatically applied to your free users does not accumulate. The AWS free tier is not available in the AWS government cloud regions or the China busy. So you just need to check this one. This is the US regions. So if you are in the US region, so maybe you will not be able to avail this for free. So apart from this one, you can avail this for free. And so there are ways in YouTube also. If you go ahead and check how to host your website in AWS for free, also there are so many videos on YouTube. Okay, so I just wanted to introduce you how and what all the things you need to know for hosting a website, and what are the things you should know apart from the only IT guy should know thing. Okay, related to your website brand maintenance. Okay, so we'll discuss this in detail with the WordPress installation, hosting, cPanel. Okay, all the stuff later. Okay, maybe these are the things we'll learn for the next WordPress website. Name changes, server configurations, installation, domain address, coming soon design, WordPress design. Okay, so all these things we'll learn later. And cPanel. Okay, free HTTPS certificates. Okay, those are mandatory. HTTPS is this one, secure connection of website. These are two things we'll use. One is HTTP, another is HTTPS. So HTTPS is the secured one. Okay, so that is what we are going to use, and which we can also get it for free. Okay, everything you learned is here for free, otherwise usually you need to pay for this one. Okay, secure server is need to be paid apart from the server you purchase. Okay, so some server hosting sites, hosting providers, they're providing SSL certificate, that is called SSL certificate. Okay, they're also providing it for free for one domain, or some will provide for all the domains based on the plan you purchase for them. Okay, so hosting sites are like this, and you can check for the stuff on your own. Okay, but while learning for the WordPress, we'll be able to learn how a hosting site works along with the website. Okay, so that's it for today, for this website related stuff. End of the video.